Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Bluetooth driver on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Bluetooth driver for Windows 10. Click on the official link. On the download page, click Download, then accept the license agreement. The driver file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, go to the downloaded folder location and open the file. A setup window will appear, just click Next. Wait for a little bit, then click Next again. Choose Repair, click on it, and once the process is finished, hit Finish. Now let's test if Bluetooth is installed correctly. Go to this PC, open Local Disk C, then the Windows folder, and look for System32. Inside the search bar, type FSQUI or T and press Enter. When a Bluetooth icon appears, right-click on it and select Send to Desktop. This will create a shortcut so you can quickly open your Bluetooth tool anytime. Now you can send and receive files, connect your Bluetooth headphones, speakers, and much more. And that's it, your Bluetooth driver is now installed and working on Windows 10. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more tech tutorials, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.